Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to sync Fiverr contacts to your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to sync Fiverr contacts to your phone, first open up your Fiverr app on your phone. And after opening your Fiverr app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us at the bottom right. Tap on the more button at the bottom right corner, guys, and you land on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us just above my notes. Tap on settings on this interface, and over here you can see the general option available for us over here at the bottom of the list just below the appearances. Tap on general and you land over here, and now here it says the fourth option, sync contacts, and it also says add Fiverr contacts your device's contacts. Now in order to sync your Fiverr contacts to your phone, make sure the empty circle beside the sync contacts is turned on and it is ticked with a purple circle. And with that being done, guys, your Fiverr contacts will start to sync to your device. And guys, this is how to sync Fiverr contacts to your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.